Good morning. I am Lakshmipati MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing about session number 23, the topic sale of a firm to a limited company, and covering the methods of calculation of PC and purchase problems on purchase consideration. So before we discuss or calculate purchase consideration, so first we know the uh, what is calculation of PC, what is purchase consideration, and how do you calculate PC, and what are the methods of calculating of PC. We must learn before we calculate the problems. In sale of a firm to a company will be for a consideration. So payable in various forms. The firm which is being sold to the company is called the vendor firm, and the company which is purchasing the firm is called a purchasing company. The following are the steps involved in asset accounting for sale or conversion of a firm into a company. There are 4 steps involved. Among the 4 steps, the purchase consideration calculation is the first step. So calculation of purchase consideration is the first step, and ascertaining the form of discharge of PC is the second step, and closing the books of the vendor firm is the third step, and passing incorporation and other journal entries in the books of purchasing company, and preparing balance sheet. So first we discuss about the step number 1, calculation of PC. The price or consideration payable by the purchasing company for taking over assets and liabilities of the vendor firm is called a purchase consideration. So what are the methods of calculating purchase consideration? The purchase consideration payable by the purchasing company to the vendor firm may be calculated under any of the following 3 methods. The first one is lump sum method. Second one is net assets method. Third one is net payment method. What is lump sum method? Under this method, a fixed amount or lump sum amount is paid by the purchasing company for assets and liabilities taken over from the vendor firm. What is net assets method? Under this method, the purchase consideration is calculated as follows. So first we take total assets taken over at an agreed value by the purchasing company and less or deduct the total liabilities taken over at an agreed value by the purchasing company Our purchase consideration is equal to total assets taken over at an agreed value minus total liabilities taken over at agreed value by the purchasing company. And net payments method. Under this method, actual payment made by the purchasing company against each item of liability would be specified. The payment may be in cash, shares, or debentures, or in any combination of the three. So these are the methods. So we take problem number 1. So calculate the amount of purchase consideration from the following details. The purchase consideration agreed to issue 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, valued at rupees 12 each. 12,000 6% debentures of rupees 10 each at a discount of 5%. Pay cash equal to 10% of the face value of the shares and debentures issued. So in this problem, the purchase consideration are issued or paid in the form of three. One is issue of 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each but valued at rupees 12 each. Another one is there are 12,000 6% debentures of rupees 10 each but at a discount of 5%. And finally, pay cash equal to 10% of face value of shares and debentures issued. So based on this information, we calculate and discharge of purchase consideration. So in the form of equity shares, that is 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, valued at rupees 12 each. So 30,000 into 12. We have to multiply it by market value, not face value. So we get 3,60,000 in the form of equity shares. So another one is in the form of 6% debentures. That is 12,000 into 9.5. Why now we are putting 9.5? Because face value is 10 rupees but issued at a discount of 10%, 5%. That is 50 paise. 10 minus 50 paise, 9.5. So 12,000 into 9.5, 1,14,000. And finally, in the form of cash. So cash, it includes face value of equity shares, and Face value of debentures. What is the face value? 30,000 into 10, 3 lakh. 12,000 into 10, 1 lakh 20,000 is equal to 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 20,000 is equal to 4 lakh 20,000 into 10 divided by 100, that is 42,000. So, in the form of equity shares 3 lakh 60, in the form of debentures 1 lakh 14,000, in the form of cash 42,000. So total purchase consideration is 5 lakh 16,000. So therefore the purchase consideration is 5 lakh 16,000. We take problem number 2. A company took over the following assets and liabilities from AB firm. Machinery 8,000, bills receivable 2,500, stock 17,500, creditors 19,500, cash 150, debtors 25,350, goodwill 3,000, bills payable 5,000. The company paid rupees 20,000 in fully paid equity shares in rupees 10 each and the balance in cash. The question is, calculate purchase consideration and also write off discharge of purchase consideration. So in this problem, what are the assets? Machinery, bills receivable, stock, cash, debtors, goodwill. These are the assets to be taken over at an agreed value. What are the liabilities? Creditors and bills payable. These are the liabilities. So the company discharge in PC, that is rupees 20,000 in fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each and the balance in cash. First we add all assets taken over at agreed value and then we deduct all liabilities taken over, then we get PC. That PC will be discharged in 2 ways. One is 2,000 into 10 rupees equity shares of rupees 20,000 and remaining balance in cash. So we work out the problem. So solution, calculation of PC under net assets method. Total assets taken over by purchasing company at agreed values. Machinery 8,000, cash 150, debtors 25,350, bills receivable 2,500, stock 17,500, goodwill 3,000. These are the assets to be taken over by the purchasing company at an agreed values. So total assets taken over is equal to 56,500 less liabilities taken over by purchasing company at agreed value. One is creditor, that is 19,500. Another one is bill payable 5,000. Total 24,500 amount of total liabilities taken over by the purchasing company. So how do you get PC? We deduct from total assets taken over by the purchasing company minus total liabilities taken over by the purchasing company. 56,500 minus 24,500. The purchase consideration is 32,000. So discharge of PC. So in this problem, in the form of equity shares rupees 20,000, that is 2,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That is 2,000 into 10, 20,000. And next one in the form of cash, balancing figure. Balance in cash, that is 32,000 minus 20,000. 12,000 is the balancing figure. So we take problem number 3. Calculate the amount of PC from the following details. The purchasing company has agreed to issue 8,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. 500, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium, at 10% premium. So 1,000 debentures of rupees 50 each at 10% discount. And pay cash equal to 10% of total PC. So in this problem, payment of PC in equity shares, preference shares, debentures and cash. So we have to work out calculation on discharge of PC. First, in the form of equity shares, that is 8,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 80,000. In the form of 8% preference shares, there is 500, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each at 10% premium, that is 500 into 110, that is 55,000. Next, in the form of debentures, so 1,000 debentures of rupees 50 each at 10% discount, that is 5 rupees deducted, and 1,000 into 45,000. And lastly, in the form of cash, that is pay cash equal to 10% of the total PC. What is the total of PC for excluding cash? 80,000 plus 55,000 plus 45,000 is equal to 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 into 10 divided by 90 is equal to cash 20,000. What is the total PC? 2 lakh. So in this problem, the cash should be 10% of total purchase consideration or 10 by 90 on purchase consideration excluding cash. So before to discuss revision, so I take another example of problem. So calculate the amount of PC from the following details. The purchasing company agreed to issue 15,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, valued at rupees 12 each. Valued at rupees 12 each. 6,000 6% debentures of rupees 10 each at a discount of 5%. So pay cash equal to 10% of face value of shares and debentures issued. The company issued, the purchasing company issued in the form of 3. One is cash, another one is debenture, another one is cash. Here first problem, 30,000 equity shares. I take 15,000 equity shares. Debentures are 12,000. I take 6,000. And everything is remains same. So in the form of equity shares, I take 15,000 into 12, 1,80,000, half of the 3,60,000. 6% debentures, that is 6,000 into 950, 57,000, half of 1,14,000. And cash, so face value of shares and debentures, 10%. So 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 20,000 is equal to 4 lakh 20,000 into 10%, that is 42,000. That is 21,000, half of the 41,000. Here 2,58,000 is the total PC. Here 5,16,000 is the PC. So dear students, try yourself. Anu company took the following assets and liabilities from AB firm. So fixed assets 22,000, debtors 14,000, goodwill 4,000, investment 11,000, stock 12,000, creditors 7,700. The company paid rupees 33,500 in fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each, and the balance in cash. The question is calculate PC and write mode of payment also. These are the references. Thank you very much.